on, I'm nearly hitting the way up Graham as it goes. My bike was dirty to start with, so it's fine. Pedal power.
This is just a lovely spot. So cheers for the invite, Bill. Nice day out. Or morning out even. And the weather's been epic. I'm absolutely sweating buckets here right now. I'm regretting not taking my line out of my jacket. So I'll be doing that very shortly. It is sweltering, so it's... So Graham had been up here before on his GSA, he was telling me, and I recognised it as soon as I started waking up actually. It's not too hardcore. You could actually get up here no bother on any bike, I would say. With regular type road tyres, no problem. More so on a dry day, or it could be quite sketchy.
Alright. Aye. Let's go. Let's go for it. Got me enduro, I think.
get back onto the black stuff again. Oh, great you chills. So cheers again, G. I'm seeing these awesome looking side roads to go up. Just squeeze round by that one. So I can nearly come here. Not that way I do. So far this is pretty good. Nothing too strenuous. Well, I did clock this as a private road as we turned off there. But as long as we don't see folk with shotguns, we'll be fine. Graham's had his drone out today. He's had it up and about in the sky. So you'll probably see some drone footage on his channel. Don't know if I've ever been on a drone before. Don't think I have. Well, not that I know of. He's also got his Insta 360X4 sticking out the right hand side of his bike there on his crash bar. Spaniel in the trees there. Well, that woman was a bit mad, just standing staring into the trees. Well, of course she's a bit mad, she's a woman. They're all a bit mad. Not in a bad way. Well, some are. It's not mine, she's just a bit mad. In a harmless way, thankfully. Oh, excuse me. I really thought that was a snack family. Could smell food. Hey, doggy. Bouncing this along here. Righty. There's some deep holes here. I used to be baffled why there was so many adventure bike riders out there, and then I realised your camera's still there. I'm keeping an eye on it, don't worry. I heard one of them fill guys for my moto saying theirs fell off, and when we went back to recover it, he fucking drove over it. That's a kick in the balls, isn't it? Yeah, they're quite costly, these 360 cameras.
and the DJIs and the GoPros, they're all quite pricey. A lot of people are changing from the GoPros now, I've noticed. But the GoPros, in my experience, have been amazing. The only issues I really ever have is the sound. But I think that's to do with maybe the media mod.
So media mod issues really grating on me severely. Let's ride out with Graham today, or that day, that was a couple of days back now. It was as if the mic wasn't plugged in, and it was plugged in. I was 1,000,000% certain it was plugged in because I kept checking. I didn't have any cables wrapped around it that were pulling it out like from the power bank, because I rerouted that on the outside of it so it would never pull the mic out. But set to try these things. So here's the media mod in question with my Hero 9 in it. Here's my Hero 10 that I got off of Haggis. Bought off of Haggis. I did pay him, not cash in hand, bank transfer, since the banks weren't working that day. So here we have it. The new media mod. So I look forward to getting out with that, and I'll just be using the 10 from now on. This will be my secondary camera, which might be pointing that way, hopefully. Ugh. Right, time to get this vile beast washed. So I won't bore you with that, folks. So I'll leave you here. Peace out. Take care. Cheers for watching.